Is it time to buy or sell KULR Technology Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into KULR Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of December, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of November, 2024, our system has identified KULR Technology Group as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.06. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 262.86% since we first recommended KULR Technology Group as a buy candidate 19 days ago. This translates to an average return of 13.83% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a strong and broad upward trend in the short term, indicating a further increase is likely. The present 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 61.83% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 41.71% to 100.16%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates an anticipated change of around 17.3% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between negative 71.69% and 43.49%. This equates to a price range of approximately 32.5 cents to $1 and 65 cents after a year. Our latest daily update for KULR Technology Group includes the headline, Volatile Ride for KULR Technology Group, Incorporated, stock price on Wednesday moving between 96 cents and $1.28. The KULR Technology Group, Incorporated stock price fell by 16.69% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 4th of December, 2024, from $1.38 to $1.15. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 33.33% from a day low at 96 cents to a day high of $1.28. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 250.69% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 9 million shares, although prices were falling. This may signal an early warning, and the risk will be slightly elevated over the next couple of days. In total, 46 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $53.30 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $1.75, and the lowest was 10 cents. Currently, the price is 34.29%, or 60 cents, below the 52-week high, and 77% or $3.85 below the all-time high reached on July 23, 2018, when the price peaked at $5. KULR Technology Group has positioned itself at the intersection of several rapidly growing sectors, including electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, data centers, space batteries, and small modular reactors. This strategic exposure has contributed to a significant 400% surge in its stock price over the past month, reflecting burgeoning investor interest, primarily from retail investors, as institutional participation remains limited. Recent announcements highlight KULR's relevance in the aerospace and energy sectors, notably the immediate availability of NASA-certified M35A battery cells and a new contract with the U.S. Navy to enhance battery safety through innovative thermal management technologies. These developments not only bolster KULR's reputation, but also indicate strong demand for their cutting-edge solutions, potentially further elevating stock prices with upcoming collaborations. Additionally, KULR's recent deployment of proprietary technology in collaborations with firms involved in nuclear fusion and other high-tech applications consolidates its role as a key player in sustainable energy management. The combination of record revenues from significant contracts and licensing agreements enhances its financial stability, indicating a favorable long-term growth trajectory. Analysts have assigned KULR Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for KULR Technology Group. The KULR Technology Group Incorporated stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During any downturns, support can be expected at the levels of $1.05 and 48 cents and 1 mil. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence short-term developments. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, and the stock has since declined by 18.16%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some additional signals you might find noteworthy. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 19 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals short moving average, sell signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 32 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for KULR Technology Group. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under certain conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock is subject to considerable fluctuations throughout the day, and due to a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of 320 thousandths between its high and low, which equates to 33.33%. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 35.23%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for KULR Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may highlight insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 11th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -3 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for KULR Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for KULR Technology Group is at $1.16. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. There is no substantial support from accumulated volume beneath this level, indicating that the stock could experience a significant drop under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider making any trades only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for KULR Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 6th of June, 2024, when Cochrane Terry Keith executed an insider sale of 108,079 shares of common stock. We recommend setting a stop loss at $1.10, which represents a decline of 4.6%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been triggered from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is KULR Technology Group stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, alongside a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for KULR Technology Group Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. However, after analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 5th of December, we anticipate that KULR Technology Group will open lower, with a decrease of nearly 2 cents, starting at $1.13. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.